Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change default web browser on your MacBook. So once you're here on the screen, then you can click on the Apple icon at the top left corner. Then click on System Settings, the second option. Now it will open up a small window just like this one. Now from the left hand side options, you can find Desktop and Dock. Click here. Now again scroll down a little bit and go to the widgets section. Okay, here's the widgets, and now you can see default web browser here. Okay, now click on these arrows, little arrows, up and down one. It will open up the list of all the web browsers that you have on your MacBook. So if you want Safari to be default one, then you can select the Safari. If you want Google Chrome to be the default one, then you can actually click on Google Chrome, and it will set the selected web browser as the default one on your MacBook. So whenever you are going to open up any link, any random link, then it will open up in Google Chrome as I have selected. If you have selected Safari, then it will open up in Safari. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.